Hey guys, Tyler here with Off Leash Canine. With me today is Liza. She's a 6-month-old mini GoldenDoodle, and she is just full of energy. Her owners are really fed up with the nipping and biting and jumping on strangers and the grandkids and everything else. So she's here with us for a 1 week. Let's see what she knows. Liza, 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 come, come. Good girl. Liza, come. Liza, come. Good girl. Hey, can you sit? Liza, can you sit? Sit. Can you sit? Hey, hey, Liza, down. So all about people. Liza, Liza, come, come. All right, guys. So this is a good snippet into what she's like. Stay with us and find out where we're at in 1 week.